2926 Steppingstone Court. So we have tile through the heavy traffic areas, laminate in the front room, a little bit of a crack there in the paint, probably not a big, definitely not a big deal at all, may not even have to be addressed. If it does, then maybe just some sealant, sand it down, paint over it, no big deal. Tile in here, cabinets are in great condition, gorgeous counters, full-size pantry, really beautiful cabinets. Large farm sink, undermount, gooseneck, really beautiful. Plantation shutters, even on the door. So we have some beautiful trees back here that are very low maintenance. We'll see what Jenny recommends doing with this bare patch here. We are back to the laminate in the hallway. Start off in this room, which is a nice sized room, as you can see. Light's not turning on, but we have the correct 2.5 inch forward blinds, and then we have plantation shutters over there. Carpet in overall good condition, might need to be stretched a little bit here, a little bit worn. Tile, paint looks good, it is white. In this area, it just needs to be patched. That's pretty typical. Upgraded light fixture. Large closet. So we have French doors with glass panels in here. Slight bend in the blinds. Probably just from time or the sun. High ceilings, upgraded fan. Really nice looking. Some bad touch-up work here. The rest of the house looks pretty good though, so we'll see what Jenny says about the paint. No grout or caulking necessary at this shower, so that's nice. Undermount sink, upgraded mirror and light fixture. That's a great vacuum. A little scuff marks here and there, but very few from what I've seen. So, beautiful home.